In a quaint corner of the bucolic countryside, Kriki, the diligent little cricket, carried on with her chores under the bright azure sky. Her small farm flourished with vibrant vegetables, fruit-laden trees, and a medley of charming animals, each contributing their bit to the harmony of farm life. Kriki was adored by her friends. There was Clover the sheep, whose wool was as soft as the clouds, Finny the fish, who darted through the pond like a silver arrow, and Bella the cow, whose milk was as creamy as the moon itself. Together, they created a symphony of friendship and work that resonated across the farm. One early morning, as the first rays of sunlight sprinkled golden hues over the farm, Creaky noticed something peculiar near the old stone well at the farm's entrance. In the moist earth, mysterious footprints stood etched like a silent riddle. The footprints were delicate yet distinct, weaving a pattern that Creaky and her friends had never seen before. Curiosity piqued, she huddled with Clover, Bella, and Finny, examining their discovery. Who could have visited us in the night? Creaky pondered aloud. Her voice, a melody of concern, echoed through the crisp morning air. As the day's tasks unfolded, the mystery lingered in Creaky's mind, entwining itself with every seed sown and every bale stacked. The evening drew near, painting the sky with shades of amber, and the farmhouse settled into a gentle slumber. Yet Creaky, unable to brush away the puzzling presence, decided to play the sentinel under the starlit backdrop. Night descended, cloaking the farm in silent shadows. All was still, save for the sporadic symphony of nocturnal sounds. Creaky, perched near the well, felt the breath of night whispering secrets into her ears. And then it happened. A subtle rustle reached Creaky's keen senses. There, granting her watchful gaze a new wonder, was a rabbit whose fur carried the silver light of the moon. His timid eyes met hers as he hesitated near the well. The moonlit visitor seemed more lost than threatening, his presence carrying a story Creaky yearned to understand. "Hello," Creaky chirped, her voice a gentle caress amidst the night. "How can I help you, friend?"